The sound of a buzzing bee is something we've all heard before. It's the hum of nature in action. But have you ever wondered why bees buzz? Is it just the sound of their wings, or is there more to it? Today, on Bugs Buzz and Beyond, we're uncovering the fascinating science behind why bees buzz, how it helps them survive, and why it's so important for our environment. Get ready to be amazed by the tiny wonders of the insect world. To understand why bees buzz, we first need to take a closer look at how they fly. A bee's wings aren't just flapping up and down. They're moving in incredibly fast and complex patterns, beating around 200 times every second. These rapid wing movements push air back and forth, creating the vibrations we hear as buzzing. But there's more. The buzzing sound isn't just about the wings. It's also created by the bee's thorax, the middle section of its body, which contains incredibly powerful flight muscles. These muscles contract and relax at an astonishing rate, creating even more vibrations. When you combine the vibrations from the wings and the thorax, you get that iconic buzz we all recognize. Essentially, buzzing is a byproduct of the bees' incredible flying efficiency. It's like their own little soundtrack to life. Now that we know how bees buzz, let's talk about why they buzz. It's not just for flying. Buzzing serves several essential purposes in a bee's life, one of the most fascinating being buzz pollination. In buzz pollination, bees vibrate their entire bodies to shake pollen loose from flowers. Some plants, like tomatoes, blueberries, and cranberries, have tightly packed pollen that can't be released just by wind or other insects. By buzzing at just the right frequency, bees essentially give the flower a gentle shake, releasing the pollen they need to collect. Scientists call this process sonication, but we can think of it as the bee's secret handshake with the plant world. But buzzing isn't just about flying or pollinating. It's also a key part of how bees communicate with each other. When you hear bees buzzing, you're essentially listening to their way of sharing important information with the hive. For example, bees use different buzzing frequencies to signal different messages. A loud, sharp buzz can be a warning signal, alerting other bees to potential threats near the hive, like predators or intruders. On the other hand, a softer, rhythmic buzz might be used during mating or courtship displays. It's fascinating to think that such tiny creatures have developed such sophisticated ways of communicating. Did you know that buzzing comes with an energy cost? That's right. Buzzing takes a lot of energy, especially for small creatures like bees. Scientists have found that bees must carefully balance their energy use between buzzing for tasks like pollination and saving energy for their survival. This is why you'll often see bees resting or drinking nectar. They're refueling to power their wings and muscles for their next big buzzing task. A buzzing bee is not just working for the hive, it's also working hard to keep itself going. Here's something you might not have known. Buzzing also plays a critical role in helping bees maintain their hive. During hot weather, bees fan their wings at the entrance of the hive to circulate air and keep the temperature just right. This fanning creates a buzzing sound that serves as a natural cooling system for the hive. This teamwork is vital for the hive's survival. A stable temperature ensures that honey production continues smoothly and that the larvae, the baby bees, develop properly. It's incredible how something as simple as buzzing can make all the difference in the survival of the entire colony. Here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Not all bees buzz. Some solitary bees, like leafcutter bees, don't have the specialized muscles needed for buzz pollination. These bees rely on other methods to collect pollen, proving that there's more than one way to be a successful pollinator in the insect world. Still, the buzzing of social bees, like honeybees and bumblebees, is one of nature's most recognizable sounds and a symbol of their extraordinary teamwork and efficiency. From flying to pollinating and even communicating with each other, buzzing is much more than just a sound. It's a vital part of what makes bees such incredible creatures. The next time you hear the buzz of a bee, remember that it's more than just a sound. It's a symphony of survival, a key to pollination, and a lifeline for ecosystems around the world. From their intricate wing mechanics to their hive teamwork, buzzing is truly one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. Thank you for exploring the world of buzzing bees with us today on Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible insect insights. Stay curious, and as always, keep buzzing. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.